Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video we are going to see about the dictionary data structure. So far we have discussed about the string, list, tuple and set. This video we are going to see about the dictionary data structure. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. First, what's a dictionary? Dictionary is an unordered set of key value pairs. Okay. Then keys are unique. We can't create an duplicate keys, but we can create a duplicate values. We can give the duplicate values, but we can't give the duplicate keys. So keys are unique. Simply, the dictionary is an unordered set of key value pairs enclosed by the braces, curly braces. Okay. Let's see an example. I'm creating the student details dictionary. Student ID, 100, name, okay. Have created the dictionary for student details. That means the ID, name and course. These are all the keys. And the 100, Sindhu and the Python. These are all the values. Okay. So dictionary is a key value pair. Okay. So key and this is a value for that key. So dictionary is a key value pair. The next one is the pair of phrases creates an empty dictionary. Okay, if you want to create an empty set, and the set we have created the setup function to create an empty set, but here we don't do anything like that. Simply have use the pair of phrases, it will create an empty dictionary. Take one pair of phrases, print of dictionary 1. See, it's an empty dictionary. Okay. The next one is the main operations on a dictionary are storing the value with some key and extracting the values from the by using some keys. Okay, that means we can adding and we can fetching the data from the dictionary. To add and fetch the data, to store the data and collect the data, we can use the dictionary. Okay, simply this is an empty dictionary. I want to add some other key value pairs inside the dictionary. See, dictionary 1 dot ten. This is the key, this is the value. And key A contains the value 10 and key P contains the value 20. C contains the value 30. Okay. So now want to display the dictionary elements, key values. See, have created the dictionary by using the key value pairs. Okay, then the next one is the dictionary keys are not allowed duplicates, but the dictionary values are allowed the duplicates. That means we can't add the duplicate keys into the dictionary, but we can add the duplicate values into the dictionary. Values will be duplicate. Okay, values can be duplicate, but the keys should not be duplicates. That's a point given here. Let's see an example. Already have a already have a key A. Okay, so I want to add one more key. By the same name A. Okay, dictionary 1 of see, now I'm going to print. See, we have created the already have we have a key A, and again have created the key A, but we can't the keys should not be the duplicate. The dictionary should not allow the keys duplicate values. Okay, so only one time the key A has come with the value. Okay, but we can add the values, we can add the duplicate values. See, then the next one, dictionary 1 of A equal to 50. See, initially we have the key value as 10, and after I have modified, I mean I just added the value for the key A as 50. So now we got a value 50. Okay, so the dictionary can allows the duplicate values, but it cannot allows the duplicate keys. Okay, and we can use the homogeneous and heterogeneous elements for both keys and values. See, the first one, we can use the homogeneous and heterogeneous. That means we can use the all the combinations of the data types. All combination of data types we can use. Okay, so this is here id is string and 100 is an integer type. Like that we can use the Boolean complex type also. This is a string and string also. Name is a string type. We can add the Boolean, integer, float values also. Okay, so the dictionary allows the homogeneous key value pairs. And insertion order is not preserved. That means the dictionary does not contain the index number values. Okay, the list and string tuple we have the index numbers to slicing. To perform the indexing and slicing, we had a index numbers for the string, list and tuple, but here we don't have the index number, so the insertion order is not preserved. Okay, dictionary keys are immutable. See the 8th one, and after that we will see that 7th. Okay, so dictionary will not allow the indexing and slicing. Why? Because the insertion order is not preserved. so it does not have any particular unique index number, so we can't do any indexing and slicing on the dictionary. And dictionary keys are immutable values or mutable. Okay, dictionary keys are immutable thing. Keys are immutable and the values are mutable. So far we have discussed about the string, list, tuple and set. Compared to all, the list is a mutable object and the remaining integers, strings, tuples, these are all the mutable objects. Okay, immutable objects. So for the dictionary's keys we can use the integers, strings, tuples. Okay, for integer dictionary keys we can use the immutable object. There are integers, strings, tuples. Okay, but the values should be more mutable. That means we can take the values in the form of list format. Rather than the list formats, we can't take any other object format. Okay, like integers, string, like tuple. So the values of the, we can take the values in the form of list, but we can't take the list as a keys. So because keys are immutable objects and the values are mutable objects. Why? The values allows the duplicates and the keys does not allow the duplicate values. Okay, the dictionaries are indexed by the keys which can be immutable type. Okay, that's have said already. Dictionary keys are immutable types. Okay, which can be mutable type. String and numbers can always be keys. The string we can use the strings and numbers as the keys in the dictionary, and we can't use the list as a keys in the dictionary. For the values we can't use the tuples. We should only use the list as a values. Okay, that's the main difference between them, because values keys, dictionary keys are immutable and dictionary values are mutable. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.